Hello and welcome guys to Techjee. Beside YouTube videos, I also write blogs regarding jobs and technological reviews. So this is my website. You can also check it out. I also give the link of my website in description below. Okay, at first come to my blog section and here you find so many jobs are there, job description and their details of the eligibility criteria and how to apply for this job is here. In this video I discuss about the TCS free certification program. In this section you can find out all the details about TCS Ion free certification program. So TCS 15 days free certification program or TCS Ion, a strategic unit of Tata consultancy service, announced on Monday a free 15 days self-paced digital certification program called Career Edge, specially designed for college students, working professionals to enhance their career skill by helping them effectively utilize the time at hand. Of course, in this lockdown period we have enough time and we don't know how to utilize, so it is the best way to utilize your time by learning the new technologies and program. So TCS gives you the opportunity to subscribe or join their free certification program. So this is the details, that is the name of this company is TCS and certification provided by TCS Ion itself TCS, and course format online, from home or self-paced. Okay, so you can check out or find all the videos and details from your home. Season duration is 2 weeks and this is 12 hours per week, so course. And there is a question that whether the certificate provide. Yes, certificate will be provided from the TCS end. Okay, so here is the details about TCS free certification program. You can check out, I give you the link in description. Okay, so what will you learn in TCS free online course? Of course you should know what course they provide. So make best use of the lockdown to spare your soft and hard skills. So for 15 days communications, okay, so they provide you to recover your communication skill and etc. How to write the effective resumes and age group discussion and interview. So they provide you how to make perfect resumes, and they learn you how to take the group discussion and interview also, common business purpose, and both the verbal and non-verbal following in a corporate setting. Okay, so they teach you so how to work in a corporate section and the verbal and non-verbal skills and the fundamentals of accounting and IT. Okay, and concepts of artificial intelligence. That is a very good initiative because artificial intelligence nowadays is very much popular. Okay, so you know you came to know about the artificial intelligence and their basic details. Who would benefit? Okay, TCS free undergraduates, graduates, postgraduates and freshers. So all the students of college goers and also the working professionals, they are beneficial about that course. Okay, TCS free online certification course and their syllabus. So they divide all the syllabus in 15 and parts. So module 1 to module 15, and every day they cover their tasks. Sorry, module 15 not 1 to 14, and the last day or at the day of 15 they asking about an assignment. They're asking about their assignments. Okay, so they here you find what is the tasks of day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. So just check it out. You should know how to join this TCS 15 days free certification course. So here is the link. You can directly visit their website or click on this link. So I just click. Okay, so this is the main page, and all the basic details I covered is mentioned here. Okay. At first you have to log in. So if you don't have any account on TCS Ion, so at first you have to create the account by giving sign up option, and they asking about learner, publisher, institute, learner, and provide your full name, email address and password. You have to confirm your password. Okay, or if you have already account in TCS Ion, then directly log in through this. Okay, so I have already an account on TCS Ion, so I click just login, and I have account on Google. I sign up through Google. Okay, so I just choose my account name. So okay, it show me that I log in successfully. Okay, and there is an option to subscribe. Okay, click here. There is a pop-up message. Are you sure you want to subscribe the product Career Edge knockdown at lockdown? Okay, confirm. Okay, subscribe product Career Edge knockdown. The lockdown has been successfully subscribed, and it will be available under my dashboard section shortly. Okay, close this pop-up message. Here you find your dashboard section. Just click on your login ID, and here you find my dashboard. Click on it, or you find that Career Edge knockdown the lockdown offered by TCS Ion is here. Okay, click on it. So it show me that course batch and communication batch, etc, etc. So in this way you subscribe the TCS Ion free certification course 15 days. I think this is the best opportunity for all learners to enhance their skills and technical skills and prepare himself or herself for the industry. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and I hope you please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you. I returned with latest job updates. Thank you so much.